Hi everyone, it's Karen here from Karen's Creations. I just wanted to welcome you. November we're going to do 8 cards. So you have your big package already there. It kind of looks like this. Okay, this is a big sticker sheet that we're going to use. So I want you to take care of your kit, okay? Because I'm going to post this week, I'm going to post 2 cards, and next week 2 cards, and so on. So you'll have to take care of your kit, put your name on it, leave it at somewhere, or make sure that you have it with you, because everything is in there. Okay, I did some photos for you on this sheet to show you which ones that we're going to do next. Okay, so everything's in this kit. And we'll get started. So these are the 2 cards that we're going to do this week. Okay, this one has a bauble on it. It opens up and you can put in whatever you'd like. Okay, this one is all cut out for you. All we have to do is put it together. This is a sticker. So what you're going to need, this is some cornstarch. So I just use that for the stickers that I don't want sticky on the back. I put some cornstarch on the back, and then I can pop dot it off the card using foam squares. Okay, so some things I pop dot, some things I just glue down. If you just want to glue it down, it's totally up to you. You don't want them raised, you can do that too. Okay, so those are 2 cards that we're going to do today. The ones that we're going to do next week is this one and this one here and this one here. Okay, just to give you a little preview. And the week after that is the one with the door. And the little window with the tree, it's all stickers. And then the last 2 are these ones with the poinsettias on the side. Okay. So let's get started. So what I want you to do is pull out the sticker sheet. We're going to need it. And there, the first card here has the little circle raised bauble. It's plastic, so you want to pull out that whole kit. And the kit that has, so I have them in the envelopes, okay? So you want the kit that has the snowman and the striped paper. Okay, and then you're going to pull out this pack. It has your foam squares in it, some string, and the poinsettias. Okay, and the little frills. So we're going to put the rest of the pack to the side. Okay, so what we're going to do first is the snowman card. Okay, I'll put these away. So we're going to take the striped paper and we're going to glue it down to the card base. I'll move this away so you can see better. Okay, so we're going to take our glue. You can either use your wet glue or your tape runner. I don't know how much tape runner you have left. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue all the way around. And you're going to center it in your card. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, now you can do this if you want. If it's too hard, don't worry about it. So sometimes I'll take my scissors and I'll just rub the edge of it You have to be very careful, just to give it a little frayed look. Okay, and then I'm going to take my foam squares that's in this bag. Actually, I'm going to take the string. I'm going to make a bow around the snowman. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue, tape runner, on the back of that. And the string is tangled mess, but that's okay. So I'm just going to take a length, so from your tips of your fingers to your chest, or just cut this piece in half. So you have two pieces. So the one piece you've cut in half, you take it, okay, you're going to fold it in half and cut the loop off. So just cut the loop. The center of this you're going to put in the center of the back of the snowman that you just stuck down. Okay, you're going to flip it over and you're going to tie a bow on the front. Now if somebody has to help you, that's okay. No thumbs. So I thought I had all these sticker sheets, and I thought, well, let's make some cards with them. So I used a paper pack and a sticker sheet. Okay, so there's going to be some stickers on here and some just card bases. So this was a 3x4 card sheet. So I'm just going to put some glue on that and center it in the black piece here. Okay. I'm just going to cut off my excess string. I have to have some sharp scissors. And I'm going to glue it to the base. And you're going to glue it more to the top. So just leave an even edge around the top. So you have a spot down here for these stickers. So these are going to be stickers. Okay. So the one sticker, the black and white one here, I'm going to stick it down to the card. And then in that bobble kit, I just shoved in this little white piece of paper. Okay, and we're going to stick on this sticker that says Warm Winter Wishes. So we're going to peel off this sticker and we're going to stick it onto this piece of white paper. Just center it, and you're going to cut off the excess that you don't need, so it's a little bit of an edge. And we're going to put some foam squares on the back of that, so a couple foam squares. And we're going to pop that off of the center of the black piece there. Okay. And then this is where we're going to use our cornstarch. We're going to peel off. Be careful when you're peeling this off. Come from the top and pull it down because you can tear that. Okay. So I'm just going to use a little bit of cornstarch. I'm going to dip my finger in it. I'm going to rub it on the sticker, and that makes it not sticky. If you don't do that, you can just stick it onto the card on an angle. But I want to pop dot it. So to pop dot it, I have to put a little bit of this on there. I'm just going to use my Kleenex and rub it. Okay. And it's just cornstarch, so it's okay on the floor. Okay. So now it's like a piece of paper, instead of a sticker. And I'm just going to put a few pop dots on the back. Maybe 4, and that's good enough. And peel off the backings. And we're going to put it on an angle, like that, and stick it down. And that's your first card. Pretty cute, eh? Okay, number 1. Number 2 looks like this. Okay, so that's your next package here. So we have a little baggie full of embellishments, a plastic bauble, a piece of white cardstock, this thing that says North Pole, and this is where we're going to put the bauble in. Okay. Now that's just an extra piece. Some string in there, and 2 pieces of red cardstock. So the red cardstock we're going to glue to the card base. The card base opens up like that. We're going to glue it to the 2 front sides. So you're going to put glue around that. And just make sure it has white around the edges. You don't need a whole lot of glue, just enough to make it stick. Okay, so now we have our red on the front. Okay, so what we need is that big white tag. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the cornstarch on this right side of it, because I don't want it to stick. Oops, I got cornstarch all over. So if you have a little plate, I forgot my plate. So if you have a little plate to put the cornstarch on, that works good. Okay, so I'm just going to stick the tag kind of on an angle here, a little bit off the card. You can see that. A little bit off the card, but I'm going to stick it down. Okay, I'm going to take this string and I'm going to cut it in half. So this 1/2 I'm going to use for this. Okay, I'm going to fold it twice. So fold it in half and then fold it in half again. So this half part here where it has a loop, I'm going to stick it through that hole in the tag. And then the loop, you're going to put the string through it, the remaining string that's in the other hand, and you're going to pull. Okay, so then you can cut off your excess. And that's your little string that sticks up. Okay, so that's the back. So now what we're going to do is the bauble, the back part of the bauble. So you're going to need